G'day, it's Nick from Ergon here. Just looking to give an update on our progress on restoring power to Ingham and all of the surrounding areas impacted by the recent floods. We've worked through the process of getting our bulk supply points online, getting our HV network up and running so that we can restore the backbone of our feeders, which means that we're in a position to start to look at restoring more and more of our customers every day. So now that that part of the work is done, we get into the real hard yards. We need to go house to house, we need to be patrolling streets and putting our eyes on the installations to ensure that when we restore power, there is no impact to your safety at all. Safety will always be our #1 priority, and we have to do all that we can to ensure that there is no risk to public safety in anything that we do. Sometimes you may see your power come on, and at a later date that night we may need to de-energise it. This can be for a number of reasons. Sometimes additional faults can come through. We're still dealing with severe weather and storms in the areas, so sometimes faults can come on to feeders that we energised, and we need to trip them in the interests of public safety. We got a lot of challenges ahead. There are still areas that we simply cannot get to by road or air, but we're doing all that we can to ensure that we get everybody on by the end of the weekend. We have been asked about generation. Generation is an option that we explore in all cases, and we do everything we can to make sure that we get supply on in the most efficient way possible. Sometimes this will be generation, and sometimes this will be network supply. So I just want to give a big shout out to the community, and thank you for all of your patience and understanding and all of the kind words that we see on social media and out in the streets. When you do see our crews out in the streets, I know that it's tempting to have a chat, but our crews really need to be focused on safety and focused on the task at hand.